How to remove hair dye stains from the sink with baking soda. You may be familiar with the cleaning benefits of baking soda, but did you know it's also an excellent hair dye remover? Yup, baking soda is a great option for removing hair dye stains from your bathroom sink and tub. You'll need 1 tablespoon of water, 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Follow the procedure. Make a baking soda paste by mixing the baking soda and water. For every 1 tablespoon of water, use 3 tablespoons of baking soda in order to form a runny paste. Rub the baking soda paste on the stains. Take a soft bristled brush or sponge and work on the stain. Let the paste sit on the stain for a while to do its magic. Rinse and examine. Repeat the process until you're happy with the outcome. Have a stain? Remember, you can always visit howtoremovestains.com when you need to get rid of a stain.